Welcome to this Shopify tutorial on how to link products. Linking products in Shopify allows you to connect related items and provide customers with more purchasing options, ultimately increasing sales and improving the overall shopping experience. To start, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Here you will see a list of all your products. Click on the product you want to link. In the Product Details page, scroll down to the Linked Products section. There are 3 types of linked products you can create in Shopify: upsells, cross-sells, and bundles. Upsells are used to promote higher-end or premium versions of a product. Cross-sells are used to promote complementary products. And bundles are used to promote multiple products together at a discounted price. To create a linked product, click the Add Linked Product button and select the type of linked product you want to create. Then select the product you want to link and set the sort order. The sort order determines the order in which the linked products are displayed on the product page. Once you have added your linked products, click Save to save the changes. The linked products will now be displayed on the product page, allowing customers to easily find and purchase related items. Best practices for linking products in Shopify include making sure the linked products are relevant to the original product, using high-quality product images, and ensuring the product descriptions are accurate and detailed. It is also important to regularly review and update your linked products to ensure they are still relevant and effective. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively link products in Shopify and improve the shopping experience for your customers. This can lead to increased sales, customer satisfaction, and loyalty, ultimately helping you to grow and succeed in the competitive e-commerce market.